Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we have something very exciting to unbox. The brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. In this video, we're going to keep things simple, straightforward, and practical. I'm going to open the box, show you exactly what's inside the standard combo, and then give you a quick look at some of the main features of this little camera. So if you're thinking about buying one and you want to know exactly what you're getting for your money, let's open the box together. And just to mention, this is not a paid endorsement or sponsored video. I bought this camera myself, and I'm simply sharing my unboxing and first impressions with you. Let's open the box. And here it is, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. What's inside? Let's take everything out one by one. First, of course, we have the Osmo Pocket 4P camera. Next, we have the Osmo Pocket 4 fill light. This is very useful when you're filming in darker environments or when you want a little extra light on your subject. We also have the handle with 1/4 inch thread. This allows you to attach the camera to a tripod or other compatible accessories. Then we have the DJI wrist strap, which is a simple but useful accessory when you're carrying the camera around while walking. And finally, we have the USB-C to USB-C cable for charging and transferring files. So that's the standard combo. Nothing excessive, just the essential accessories you need to get started. And there we go. Here is the camera itself. Look at how small this thing is. This is one of the great things about the Pocket series. You have a proper 3-axis mechanical gimbal camera that is small enough to carry almost anywhere. Perfect for travel, holidays, walking tours, and everyday filming. Now let's have a closer look at the Pocket 4P. The first thing you'll notice is the 2-camera system. That's one of the major features of the 4P. It has a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera, together with a dedicated 60mm equivalent telephoto camera, so you can capture those beautiful wide views, and then move in closer to capture details without physically walking closer. That's going to be especially useful for travel and walking tours. The main camera features an enhanced 1-inch CMOS sensor and up to 17 stops of dynamic range, giving you more detail in both bright and darker areas. It also supports D-Log 2, which gives creators more flexibility when color grading their footage. And for slow motion, it can record up to 4K at 240 frames per second. That's pretty impressive for something this small. Of course, we have the famous 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This is what helps keep your footage smooth while you're walking. And for my walking tours, that's extremely important. I can simply hold the camera, start walking, and let the gimbal do the hard work. We also have Active Track, which can keep your subject in the frame while you're moving. This is particularly useful for solo creators. You can set the camera down, walk around, and let the camera help keep you in the shot. So you don't necessarily need somebody else standing behind the camera. Another very useful feature is the 103 GB of built-in storage, with additional storage available through a micro SD card. That's great for travel because you don't have to worry about immediately filling up a small memory card. Why I chose the standard combo. And one quick explanation about my choice. I bought the standard combo rather than the vlog combo. The reason is simple. I already own the Osmo Pocket 3 vlog combo, so I already have several accessories that I can continue using. For example, I already have the battery handle and other equipment from my Pocket 3 setup. So for me, there was no need to buy another bundle full of accessories that I already have. I wanted to keep this purchase simple: the camera and the essentials I actually need. And there we have it, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P, fresh out of the box. It's incredibly compact, but underneath that small body is a surprisingly capable camera. We have the dual camera system, 1-inch sensor, 4K slow motion, D-Log 2, 3-axis stabilization, active track, and plenty of built-in storage. But of course, the real test isn't just looking at the specifications. The real test is taking this little camera outside and seeing what it can actually do. And that's exactly what we're going to do in my upcoming videos. So if you're interested in seeing the Osmo Pocket 4P in real-world use, especially for walking tours and travel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much for joining me for this unboxing. And until the next video, stay safe and stay curious. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you on our next tour.